Today I want to teach you a part of Solidwork that is widely used in the industry. This section is called sheet metal in Solidworks. In these images, we can see a few examples of sheet metal parts. Alright, let's open Solidwork. If the sheet metal option is not active, right-click on the top toolbar and enable it from the list of tabs. To get started, draw a rectangle on the top plane. This rectangle will be defined as the base of our work. Let's set its dimension to 100 x 50 mm. Now go to the Sheet Metal tab and select the option called Based Flange tab. After sketching the rectangle, the next step is to select Base Flange tab. On the left side, you'll see the Property Manager open up. Under Sheet Metal parameter, we can set the thickness of the sheet. Right below that, there is an option called Reverse Directions. This lets you flip the direction of the extrusion. And if you want the sheet to grow evenly on the both sides of a sketch, just check Symmetric. That way the thickness is applied to both directions from the center plane. Next up, you will notice the K-factor field. This value is related to the material properties of the sheet metal. You either need to know it beforehand or look it up in the standards table. Now, let's say we want to bend the edge of our base sheet. For that, we use the Edge Flange command. In the first box, select the edge where you want to bend to start. After that, you can enter the bend radius. In the next box, you can set the bend angle, and this can be anything, depending on the design or drawing you are working from. Then, under flange length, you can click the arrow to flip the direction of the flange, and just below that, you can type the exact height you want. There are some additional options here, which I'll explain in the next part. But before we wrap this section up, pay attention to flange position. This is super important in the sheet metal design. If it's not set correctly, your design can turn out incomplete or inaccurate. In the next tutorial, we will take a closer look at the flange position option in detail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you'd like me to make the next box sooner, be sure to let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.